In this video today, we will see how to remove the apps from the home screen of your iPhone without deleting the app. Now, for that one, what you need to do is tap and hold the app icon for some time until you can see that app starts to shake. Then you have to tap on this minus icon here. After that, you have this option remove from home screen. And once you do, the app icon will be missing from the home screen of the iPhone. Now later on, if you want to bring the app back, then what you have to do is tap the screen down, and this was the app which I removed from the home screen. So what you need to do is you need to tap and hold on this app icon for some time and then select this option add to home screen, and the app will be again visible on the home screen of the iPhone.